Scrunch, 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 scrunch by JamJamJamillah. Hey guys, it's me, JamJamJamillah, and I'm here with another video. Kind of goes hand in hand with the Coco and Eve one, but I was thinking I might as well do a diffuser vibe and get my hair popping because it already feels amazing. But why not get it all the way amazing and just get these curls popping. Oh yeah, so I'm just gonna brush it out. This isn't my usual Denman brush that I would use. You guys should know by now that my trusty pink Denman is life. But this one gives incredible definition when you're using the diffuser to get those natural curls just popping. Do you see how it kind of separates? So when I put the gel in now, and then I separate the strands, when it's drying using a diffuser, it's gonna come out cute or whatever. So why not? Why not? So if many of you are wondering why I'm wearing the same top from last time, it's because it was all filmed on the same day. Okay, so now it's kind of puffy. There is kind of already definition there, but we are going to add gel. Let me roll up the old sleeves. I'm honestly such a nerd, guys. And let's just apply some gel. The reason why I use gel, eco gel to be exact, is because it holds the curl. So it holds the curl in place, which is easy to get your definition. My hair drinks product, so I have to put quite a bit on for it to make sense. See, there's still like dry spots and I'm literally coating it. Yeah, that's the sound. Look, ASMR vibes, guys. I need to do an ASMR hair video, honestly. That is a shout. Okay. Oh, and again. Right. That's it. I think we're good. So I have a wave gel, but I just use this one because I find that it doesn't flake for me, and it's got flaxseed oil and black castor on it, so it's nice on my hair. I'm gonna just use the comb first. There's not really any knots, but I'm just running the comb through it for the individual, you see? I'm like getting so much gel in my eye right now. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm gonna run the comb, the strands, the brush I should say, get all them individual strands and then just scrunch. Scrunch, you see? All those individuals is what we need, guys. scrunch, 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 scrunch by JamJamJamillah. Right, can you see? We cute, we cute. Right. I need something to wipe my hands. Our diffuser. Hold the heat to it because we're getting it dry and we're getting it cute. Now my hair basically shrinks into my head, so but after we're gonna pick it out. See them baby hairs on. And that's just what I do. Right. My hair is actually drying. My hair dries really quickly. Right, so you can pick it out, but I actually think it looks cute. So I might just leave it like this. For more volume at the back, for picking's sake, let's just pick a little bit, shall we? Let's just pick a little bit. But to be honest, I quite like it. So we got the bouncy bounce, that bouncy bounce, that bouncy bouncy. Just like that, done. Or what I like to do, which is my signature move, just tuck some behind the ear. Diffused. Diffused.